All right, guys. So we talked about the different orders and their different types of execution. Which we said we have the instant execution and we have the pending order. And the pending order, we categorize them into three sections. Which we have the buy limit, sell limit. We have the buy stop, sell stop. Then we have the buy stop limit and the sell stop limit. And yeah, that's that. All right. So now I want to teach you guys something, something sweet, something more easier, and something you will like you will love this one. It's an easy approach to risk management and to sharp, trade execution. All right, so let's get into work. Okay, first now, just in case the signal that was given was an instant execution. It was an instant execution. This one is not like saying it's a limit order. So this is an instant execution. So what are you going to do? You're just going to come to your code, just in case you know how to add your code by now, and let's say you're this HF. So we'll just click on it to open. That this time now we are not using order, we are using chat. Just go to chat. And the truth is that this is how I execute most of my position, except for for limit orders. Okay, so this is the chart now, right? So what are you going to do now? You are just simply this like for instant market execution. So you just open this like this. So what are you going to do now? Notice now you can see this tab up. You are seeing a box that looks like a clock and then a square. Okay, sorry, a rectangle, that has red and blue, by the side. So what are we going to do? Okay, let's see. Let's click the first one now and see what it gives us. So you can see this first one is the instant execution bar displaying in the chart. This one is the instant execution bar displaying in the chart, right? So just the same way we activated that other instant execution, that is the same way we can just do this as well. So how do we do this now? How do we do this now? So this is it. You just come, you put your lot size there. Let's say it was 0.03. You just put your lot size, as easy like this. Okay, let me do a practical again. So just put your lot size. What are you doing? You are selling the market in instant price. You just click sell. You understand? So I've sold this market at this point. So this is the order. So after selling this market now, you are already in the market. You don't need to come here and do like this and say new order and start, put your lot size, then you now sell. But you see what I just did? The tab was in the chart. I just pop it up, and then I just click on sell, right? Yes, so this is this. So now you want to put your SL. You just come here now. This was the one I just activated. You tap on it like this, and there's a modify. You put your SL because the SL will be given, maybe at the platform. So you just put it, you modify it, and boom, you're good. Yeah. So and as well. Okay, it's fine. All right, so this is for sell. This is for instant execution. Yes. So the next one is limit order. All right. So let's start with the sell limit order. So sell limit order, it is using this. We are executing now from the chart. So this is how we go about it. You just come and you click the next one. Now the one that is in a circle, this one that is in the clock circle form, you just click on it now. Guys, click on it. So you have clicked on it now. So let's say that market price, the market price was given. So you just simply, you can see the setup in the, let me say, it can be sent, in a kind of, it can be in the trading view format. Sometimes I just send the setup as it is in the trading view. That's like the sell, the short position or the long position. So you can see that, and then maybe you can see the point. Maybe you can see that the limit order is after this zone that was broken, and this is it. Maybe so you just come and put this like this. I love this approach. This approach, is best for risk management. So let's say this is it, and let's say our SL was at this high. So since our SL was here, what are we going to do now? And maybe our TP, okay, or maybe I'm also at your TP, or maybe just our TP was below. Yes, so we are risking, it was like 1-3. So first of all now, as you have put this limit order, what is in your mind? Your mind is your position sizing. How much are you risking for this trade, right? Yes, that's what is supposed to be in your mind. So, normally we will just post the signal. So we'll say risk 1%. So how do you go about to risk the 1%? So this is very important. Pay attention now. Okay, guys, so let's move forward. So now this is 0.03, and this is where the SL point is. So how are we going to do this now? So for you to know what you are risking, this is the kind of like this account size. I just decided to use this, for clarity purpose. So coming to this point now, see now I'm clicking on this rectangle. I've clicked on it. So what does this have? This has the lot size. Risk management is all about using the appropriate lot size. That is, doing your position sizes right. So coming here now like this, and so let me say I want to risk $5 for this. So you can see it is almost $5 I'm risking. So this one is good, boom. But what if maybe I want to risk $10 for this trade? What will I do? So I will come now and claim this trade. I want to risk $10. If $3 is I'm risking, okay, if 0.03 I'm risking $5. So what will I, you just speculate. What will I put to be risking $10? So that 0.06 will be good. So you just put 0.06. So you see we are risking $9.67, and that is fine. After doing like this now, you have your entry point, you have your SL point. You just simply go and click on the, you see the sell limit now. You click on sell limit. Okay, no. Okay, so this is sell limit. Okay, sorry. This is sell limit now. This is it. You just simply go and click on this order, this arrow now that is showing blue. So let's do that now. Click on this arrow, and then it will say you say place, and now boom, your order is in the market. But this one is not living, it's not live. It is a limit order. We are expecting activation. So now this is the limit order, right? And this is your take profit. So you are risking $10 now to make $30. This 1:3 hour. It's a fair trade. This is how our trade setup usually comes. You understand? So this is a good way of doing risk management. Okay, let's say you want to risk $2. All right, let's go back to the drawing board and figure this out. So you want to risk $2 for this trade. $2. So what are you going to do? First of all, you put your entry point at the entry point, at the entry price. You put your SL at the SL price. So now what are you going to do? You are going to speculate within the lot size to see what to give us what we want. Well, let's say 0.02. We want to risk just $2 now. So this is the position. This is where we want to enter for. So this is 0.06. So I use 0.02. Okay, so I click on here first, and maybe, okay, let me go ahead and delete this limit order so that our chart will not be too complete. All right, so I click on this point, and from here, my SL above here. So I want to risk just $2 for this trade. What will I do? So I put 0.03. You say 0.03, I'm risking $5. Wow, that is not what we want. That's not what we want. So I'll just claim it back, put 0.02. I'm risking $3. You understand? So, that is not what we want. We want to risk just $1. So 0.01. This 0.01 is giving us 1.65. So you can choose to risk this amount, 1.65, which is approximately, approximately $2. So you just quickly go and do that, and you put your target, and boom, you are good. You are risking $2 to make $6, right? Yes, it is fair. Yeah, so you can get it done like this, or maybe you want to increase your risk more, because this is the least lot size, because this is not a nano account. So you can just come, and click 0.02. It's fine. So maybe you can. Okay, this is $3 you are risking, so maybe you can decide to just risk $3, and boom, you just click here, activate, and boom, you have set your order. If price will get activate us, you're in the trade, and you are run up and you are doing. So let's see the trade we have, guys. So we have this trade and this trade. So this I don't wanted enter this trade really actually, so I just close it. And this one again, thank God they're not already not lost. I just close it, and it's fine. So now what do we have? We just have this limit order waiting for activation. So now this is a kind of risk entry. If price goes back up to this point and activate us, then we'll be in this trade, and boom, we will be riding it down to $12. So thank you very much. I hope you get value from this. Thank you. Do well to practice, Just go and use your demo account, practice, how to place trade using limit orders and also instant execution, and so that it just be at your fingertips. So that, yeah. All right. Thank you very much. Thank you.